Proper drywall mudding and taping technique makes a bathroom remodel look professional rather than homemade. Start by selecting the right joint compound for each stage, using a setting compound for the first coat when you need faster drying and a lightweight finishing compound for the final coats to minimize sanding. Mix compounds to a buttery consistency with a margin trowel and add small amounts of water, stirring slowly to avoid air bubbles. A paddle mixer on low is useful for larger batches. Use knives in a progression from 6-inch to 10-inch to 12-inch and finally a 12-inch or 16-inch taper for feathering, keeping each pass clean by wiping on a damp rag. Apply tape embedded into a thin layer of mud, pressing out bubbles with the corner of the knife, and then immediately shave off excess compound by holding the knife at a slight angle to avoid ridges. Let each coat dry thoroughly and sand lightly between coats with a fine sanding block, using a dust mask and a vacuum with a HEPA filter to manage dust in a bathroom setting. Practice taping inside and outside corners separately, as inside corners need tight folds and outside corners require slightly bulking compound to accept corner bead without dimpling. Common issues include visible tape ridges, which usually come from embedding tape with too much compound. Remedy this by removing excess mud with the knife and feathering thin subsequent coats. Another problem is lap marks and ridge lines from using the wrong knife sizes. Fix this by progressing knives gradually and keeping blades clean and flat during each pass. A third concern is uneven drying that leads to sanding gouges, often caused by applying thick coats or poor ventilation. Solve this by applying thinner coats, improving airflow with a fan and dehumidifier, and waiting longer between coats to ensure full cure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors so we can find help for tricky mudding and taping tasks and compare approaches. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we exchange tips, ask for feedback on photos of progress, and find local professionals who are looking for work.